Venn diagrams. Let's learn. British logician John Venn was the first to use closed figures to represent sets. Such representations are called Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are very useful in order to understand and illustrate the relationship among sets and to solve the examples based on the sets. John Venn, 1834 to 1883. John Venn is the first mathematician who gave the mathematical form to logic and probability. His famous book is Logic of Chance. Let us understand the use of Venn diagrams from the following example. A is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curly bracket close. Set A is shown by Venn diagram. B is a set of X such that -10 is lesser than equal to X, X is lesser than equal to 0, and X is an integer. Venn diagram is shown by subset. Let's learn. If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is a subset of A, which is symbolically written as B subset A. It is read as B is a subset of A or B subset A. Let's understand it with an example. Example 1. A is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 curly bracket close. B is equal to curly bracket open 2, 4, 6, 8 curly bracket close. Every element of set B is also an element of set A. Therefore, B is a subset of A. This can be represented by Venn diagram. Let's see some more examples of subsets. Example 2. N is a set of natural numbers. I is a set of integers. Here, N is a subset of I because all natural numbers are integers. Example 3. P is a set of X such that X is a square root of 25. S is a set of Y such that Y is an integer and -5 is lesser than equal to Y, Y is lesser than equal to 5. Let's write set P as P is equal to curly bracket open -5, 5 curly bracket close. Set S as S is equal to curly bracket open -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curly bracket close. Here, every element of set P is also an element of set S. Therefore, P is a subset of S. Remember this. Every set is a subset of itself. That is, A is a subset of A. Empty set is a subset of every set. That is, phi is a subset of A. If A is equal to B, then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Let's learn. Activity 1. Set of students in a class and set of students in the same class who can swim are shown by Venn diagram. Observe the diagram and draw Venn diagrams for the following subsets. 1. 1. Set of students in a class. 2. Set of students who can ride bicycles in the same class. 2. Set of fruits is given as follows: guava, orange, mango, jackfruit, chiku, jamun, custard apple, papaya, plum. 1. Fruit with one seed. 2. Fruit with more than one seed. Activity 2. Every student should take 9 triangular sheets of paper and 1 plate. Numbers from 1 to 9 should be written on each triangle. Everyone should have some numbered triangles in the plate. Now, the triangles in each plate form a subset of set of numbers from 1 to 9. Sujata, Hamid, Mukta, Nandini, Joseph. Look at the plates of Sujata, Hamid, Mukta, Nandini, Joseph with the numbered triangles. Guess the thinking behind selecting these numbers. Hence, write the subsets in the set builder form. Let's discuss some more examples. 1. If A is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, curly bracket close, then write all possible subsets of A. That is, P is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, curly bracket close. T is equal to curly bracket open 4, 7, 8, curly bracket close. V is equal to curly bracket open 1, 4, 8, curly bracket close, and S is equal to curly bracket open 1, 4, 7, 8, curly bracket close. In this way, many subsets can be written. Write 5 more subsets of A. Solution: L is equal to curly bracket open 1, 4, curly bracket close. M is equal to curly bracket open 3, 7, 8, curly bracket close. N is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 4, curly bracket close. U is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 4, 7, curly bracket close. And C is equal to curly bracket open 3, 4, 7, 8, curly bracket close. 2. Some sets are given below. A is equal to curly bracket open all even numbers before -4, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on, curly bracket close. B is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, and so on, curly bracket close. C is equal to curly bracket open all multiples of 6 before -12, -12, -6, 0, 6, 12, 18, and so on, curly bracket close. D is equal to curly bracket open all multiples of 4 before -8, -8, -4, 0, 4, 8, and so on, curly bracket close. I is equal to curly bracket open all numbers before -3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, curly bracket close. Discuss and decide which of the following statements are true. 1. A is a subset of B, C, and D. 2. B is a subset of all the sets which are given above. Solution. 1. False statement, as every element of A is not in sets B, C, and D. 2. False statement, as B is only a subset of I. Universal set. Let's learn. Think of a bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which is general, is known as universal set. So that the sets under consideration are the subsets of this universal set. Example 1. Suppose we want to study the students in class 9 who frequently remained absent. Then, we have to think of all the students of class 9 who are in the school. So, all the students in a school or the students of all the divisions of class 9 in the school is the universal set. Example 2. A cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Here, all the students from school who play cricket is the universal set. A team of 15 cricket players is a subset of that universal set. Generally, the universal set is denoted by U, and in Venn diagram, it is represented by a rectangle. Complement of a set. Let's learn. Suppose U is an universal set. If B is a subset of U, then the set of all elements in U which are not in set B is called the complement of B. It is denoted by B complement or B complement. B complement is defined as follows. B complement is a set of X such that X belongs to U and X does not belong to B. Example 1. U is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, curly bracket close. A is equal to curly bracket open 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, curly bracket close. Therefore, A complement is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, curly bracket close. Example 2. Suppose U is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18, 19, curly bracket close. B is equal to curly bracket open 3, 9, 11, 13, curly bracket close. Therefore, B complement is equal to curly bracket open, 1, 18, 19, curly bracket close. Find complement of B complement and draw the inference. Solution. Complement of B complement is the set of elements which are not in B complement but in U. Therefore, a complement of B complement is equal to B. By Venn diagram. Complement of a complement is the given set itself. Remember this. No element are common in A and A complement. A is a subset of U and A complement is a subset of U. Complement of set U is empty set. That is, U complement is equal to phi. Complement of empty set is U. That is, phi complement is equal to U. Practice set 1.3. 1. If A is equal to curly bracket open A, B, C, D, E, curly bracket close. B is equal to curly bracket open C, D, E, F, curly bracket close. C is equal to curly bracket open B, D, curly bracket close. D is equal to curly bracket open A, E, curly bracket close. Then, which of the following statements are true and which are false? 1. C is a subset of B. Solution. False, as all the elements of set C is not there in set B. 2. A is a subset of D. Solution. False, as all the elements of set A is not there in set D. 3. D is a subset of A. Solution. True, as all the elements of set D is not there in set A. 3. U is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, curly bracket close. P is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 7, 10, curly bracket close. Then 1. Show the sets U, P and P complement by Venn diagram. 2. Verify that complement of P complement is equal to P. Solution. U is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, curly bracket close. P is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 7, 10, curly bracket close. By Venn diagram. Here, P complement is equal to curly bracket open 2, 8, 9, 11, 12, curly bracket close. Therefore, complement of P complement is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 7, 10, curly bracket close. Therefore, complement of P complement is equal to P. Complement of a complement is the given set itself, hence verified. 4. A is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 2, 7, curly bracket close. Then write any 3 subsets of A. Solution: A is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, 2, 7, curly bracket close. Therefore, B is equal to curly bracket open 1, 3, curly bracket close. C is equal to curly bracket open 2, 3, 7, curly bracket close. D is equal to curly bracket open 7, 2, 3, 1, curly bracket close. 7. Let all the students of a class is an universal set. Let set A be the students who secure 50% or more marks in maths. Then, write the complement of set A. Solution: let set A be the students who secure 50% or more marks in maths. Then, A complement is equal to set of students getting marks less than 50% in maths.